Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a review of the AQUASTRONG pool heat pump. It's early May here where I live, so it's still a little cold out. It's in the 60s, but I want to get in my pool, so I got this heater. I've got the HEX016. This is all the information about it. 115 volts, so it plugs into your normal outlet. 1600 BTU per hour rating, 5.5 max COP. Advised pool volume is about 5,000 gallons. My pool is about 3,000, so this should be more than enough. Max circuit capacity 10 amps, max fuse 15 amps. Heating temp 41 to 104 degrees. 81 gallons per minute. Water flow volume. Moisture resistance IPX4. Refrigerant proper input R32. Net unit size 16.65 by 15.4 by 17.2 inches. Carton size, you can see it there. The net weight is 63 pounds. The gross weight is 69.8 pounds. This is the box that comes in here. Again, they tout efficient heating performance, energy efficient, quick installation, low noise level, eco-friendly refrigerant. And all that's been true so far. I also have their pump here. As you can see, I love their pump and their filter here. So this thing, this heat pump here, I have it plugged in here just so you can see. Simple outlet, it's got GFI on there. I have my pool here. Let's turn it on. It automatically shuts off when your pump shuts off. That's what it'll give you, this EO kind of error message. But when you turn the pump back on, like we'll do here, you can see my pool's at 68 degrees. I didn't run it overnight because I wanted to do this demonstration. The fan will kick on here in a second. Basically the water runs down here into my pump, into my filter, into the heat pump here, and then into the pool right here. Got this fan on the side. So we're starting out around 71 degrees. We're going to let this run for a few hours, come back and check on it, see what the pool temp is. As you can see, here's my pool here. I put my hand in the water here, adjusting my fountain here. Definitely a little chilly, but hopefully this afternoon the heat pump will get it warm. It's already got it up to 72 for us, and we'll be able to swim. See how it works. This thing, is really quiet. They tell it doesn't really use a ton of power, which makes sense because that's kind of the heat pump technology. That's how that works. But we'll check back here in a little bit, see how warm my pool is. We're already up to 73, guys. Seems to be working pretty good. Here's the pool here. We'll be back in a few hours to see how the heat pump's working. Okay, guys. It's been about 8 hours now. It's been a little bit cloudy today, so I haven't been in the pool yet. But about to get in now. Heater's got us up to 81, which is pretty good, especially when it's cloudy out. I think right now the temp is, the high today was 72 or so, so we're above the air temp by quite a bit. Highly recommend this, guys. I've loved their pump. I'll put a link down below where you can check out the pump too. Their pump and filter here. This heat pump has been a nice addition here. Really works well. Gives you a nice. I was worried it might get really hot, but it actually gets cool. That's the way these heat pumps work. I'll put a link down below that explains how they work as well, because it's very complicated. But I really like this product, guys. It's really going to extend my pool season. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below. There's not a lot of options to heat your pool, especially ones where you can do it without putting the higher rate of the 220, I think it's called. The one your washing machine runs off of. Just a simple plug and play solution we got for you today, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to take a dip in this pool. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll put a link down below where you can buy one of these bad boys. I'll catch you all next time.